Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to ProR. Cycling is a great way to get fit, lose weight, and improve your fitness. According to the United States Department of Transportation, 48,000 cyclists were injured in accidents with motor vehicles in 2011. Of those, 677 died. And if you're thinking, hey, that was just 1 year, let me tell you that those numbers really haven't shifted around a lot during the past 10 years. So don't think time is necessarily on our side here. The point is this: cycling on streets and roads isn't always safe. Bad things can happen. But there really isn't much alternative, especially in places that have yet to create bike paths, and even those don't always guarantee your safety. So you need to do everything in your power to help yourself and your loved ones stay safe. Installing safety gears will greatly increase the safety of your bicycle in city and country riding, as you will be supported by technological advancements. For those who are looking to take cycling to the next level and make it a regular part of their exercise routine, we have helped you out by compiling a list for you of the best new bike safety innovations that you can buy in 2022. Number 6, Hovding 3. The world's safest bicycle helmet isn't a helmet. It's worn like a collar around the neck. The airbag in Hovding 3 offers your brain outstanding protection against rotational force and holds your neck in place if you have an accident. A scientific study shows that it provides up to 8 times better protection than traditional cycle helmets. As soon as your Hovding 3 has been activated, the advanced algorithm reads your movements 200 times a second. Hovding's accident detection system consists of an algorithm based on artificial intelligence technology. This algorithm is trained by providing it with data, corresponding to both accidents and non-accidents, to learn from. The accident data set is created by collecting the movement patterns from staged accidents. Professional stunt performers simulated over 3,000 accidents of different types and intensity. In the event of an accident, the airbag inside the collar inflates in 0.1 seconds, giving you excellent protection and notifies selected ICE contacts. Hovding 3 is equipped with the bow and fit system, which makes it easy for you to adapt its size for the best possible fit. This makes Hovding 3 comfortable to use in any season, whatever you are wearing. Hovding 3 is easy to use. Close the zip, get on your bike, activate your Hovding and you are ready to go. As soon as your Hovding has been activated, you will hear a brief tune. This tells you that you are now protected by the safest head protection in the world. One charge of the battery in the Hovding 3 lasts for up to 15 hours of cycling. You can charge your Hovding with a USB-C connector, the same connector that is used by many mobile phones. A charging cable is supplied in the packaging. When you link your Hovding 3 to your smartphone, the Hovding app can automatically notify selected contacts if you have an accident. It can also tell you the battery status and give you information about personal and collective cycling data. Hovding 3 is supplied with a black base cover to protect it against dirt and wear. Buy a designer cover for your Hovding to enhance your visibility in traffic and customize your Hovding. Number 5, Hexagon. Hexagon has come up with a rear-view system for bicycles that transmits a live image to your handlebar-mounted phone screen, so you can see who's steaming up behind you and watch your own demise take evasive action if they fail to see you in time. The camera is housed in a unit that mounts under your saddle, which is then paired via Wi-Fi to your smartphone, which sits in a holder on your handlebars. The device is also an automatic stoplight and a pair of turn signals, among other things. When it's running, you'll be able to see a rear view of the road, your current speed and your position on an on-screen map. You can also live broadcast your ride to your social networks or record video to the SD card. If you're unfortunate enough to come off your bike, the app will detect this and send an SMS with your GPS coordinates to your chosen emergency contact. And if the camera is still working, it'll continue to shoot video until someone presses stop or the battery runs out. The mobile application also offers a parental control system where you can monitor your child's riding, their location and the time they arrive at their destination. There are 2 versions of the camera: the Hexagon, which features side blinkers and additional battery bays and starts at $179, and the more basic Hexagon Lite, which drops the turn signals and starts at $129. The Hexagon app is available for iOS and Android. There's no Windows Phone app, which might upset the 3 people in the world who own a Windows Phone. Number 4, Classic Wearable Bike Mirror. The Classic Rear Vis is an arm-mounted, fully adjustable rear-view bicycle mirror designed for the avid cyclist, athlete and hobbyist. The Rear Vis adjustable rear-view mirror has been designed to improve rearward visibility whilst cycling. The Classic Rear Vis can be worn anywhere on the arm from the lower wrist to the upper bicep. The Classic is fully rotatable 360 degrees to enable the user to adjust the gadget into the most comfortable and desired position whilst riding. The Rear Vis is ultra lightweight and portable, making it the perfect addition for travelers, commuters, athletes and cyclists. As it is a wearable mirror, the Rear Vis allows for the user to make only slight movements with their body whilst cycling to allow for a greater field of vision. In addition, the Rear Vis mirror design limits vibration and distorted vision as your body absorbs the vibration from the road, enabling a clear view at all times. Both armbands, short and long, are both easily adjustable to allow for a comfortable and secure fit at all times whilst cycling. Look forward and see behind wearing the Rear Vis, the original and patented bicycle mirror. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 3, Reflect 360 Jacket. The Reflect 360 cycling jacket is the world's first to be designed using a 100% reflective outer shell. The jacket's high-quality material is designed to look and feel great while keeping the weather out. Utilizing millions of tiny, highly reflective glass beads, the innovative material used for the Reflect 360 cycling jacket is exceptionally waterproof and has taped inner seams to prevent water getting in its sewing lines. The Reflect 360 cycling jacket has a soft cotton mesh lining which acts as a climate control mechanism. The mesh increases airflow by maintaining separation between your skin or shirt and the outer layer of the jacket. The jacket's high-quality material is designed to look and feel great while keeping the weather out. During daylight the jacket is a modest gray color. At night, it gives astonishing reflectivity. The material is CE EN 20471 certified. Number 2, TRON XT Fingerprint Shackle Lock. The award-winning world's first fingerprint shackle lock eliminates the need for keys and combinations while securing bikes, scooters and even doors with an alloy shackle that's light on weight but not on security. TRON XT is the first shackle lock to combine smart biometric fingerprint recognition technology with the strength of an innovative alloy shackle and silicone overmolding for style and safety. Its design protects from rain and snow, so there's no worry about damage from ordinary weather and usage. Fingerprint identification saves you from keys, combinations, and lock picking, protecting your bicycle, e-bike or even industrial doors, for the first time with the strength of an alloy shackle lock. It opens in just half a second for fast access while a 14mm thick alloy shackle prevents cutting and deters theft. Setup is quick and easy, with no app or computer necessary. Everything you need is in the lock itself. TRON XT's identification system is capable of high-resolution, 508p, 360-degree all-direction scanning. Multispectral recognition reads your fingerprint whether dry, normal, wet or oily. Its machine learning adapts itself to your finger positioning, for better scanning over time. Lithium polymer rechargeable battery provides 2,200 openings on a full charge and can be easily recharged with a portable charger and micro USB cable. TRON XT fingerprint shackle locks come with a high-security alloy key for manual opening in the event of a battery discharge. It is tested at temperatures below freezing, so you can trust its reliability even in extreme environments. Number 1. Zackees Turn Signal Gloves. Zackees Turn Signal Gloves feature built-in, super bright LED lights that you can easily activate to let drivers and other cyclists know when you plan on making a left or right turn. The signal is built directly into the backs of both the right and left gloves and can be turned on activating the metal switch between the thumb and index fingers. They're easy to turn on, easy to turn off, bright enough for everyone to see. A light sensor boosts the output so they're even easily visible in the daytime, and might just save your life. Beyond the actual turn signal part of the product, the gloves themselves are totally worthwhile, too. Zackees consulted with a number of top biking glove manufacturers to get an idea of how a real, durable pair should be made. So they feature leathered palms, thumb-wrapped absorbent towels, reflective trimming and very breathable spandex material. Also, the electronics are covered in a waterproof coat, making the turn signal gloves machine washable. Which, as we all know, is a great thing if you like to bike during the warmer months. And they'll work to keep you safe for 3 to 6 months with a single charge. And that's with daily use. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.